Storytime Bella and the Cloud Factory.
Once upon a time, in a vibrant village nestled between lush green hills, there lived a curious little girl named Bella. She loved to explore, and her favorite spot was a grassy hill where she could lie back and watch the clouds drift lazily across the sky. One sunny afternoon, as Bella daydreamed, she noticed a small, fluffy cloud hovering unusually low, looking sad and gray. Curious, she called out, "Hey there, little cloud. Why do you look so gloomy?" To her surprise, the cloud spoke in a soft, wispy voice. "Oh, Bella. I'm Nimbus. I want to make rain and bring joy to the flowers and trees, but I don't know how. I'm stuck in this cloud factory and can't find my purpose." Bella's heart filled with empathy. "Don't worry, Nimbus. Let's find a way to help you." Together, they set off on a whimsical adventure to the Cloud Factory, a magical place where clouds were created and sent out into the world. They traveled through shimmering rainbows and fluffy, cotton candy-like clouds until they arrived at the factory. Inside, they met the cloud maker, an elderly, kind-hearted figure who was busy crafting clouds of all shapes and sizes. "Welcome, Bella and Nimbus. What brings you here?" he asked. Nimbus explained his plight, and the cloud maker listened carefully. "Every cloud has its own journey. You must discover what makes you happy to find your purpose. Let's explore the factory." They wandered through different sections of the factory. In one area, clouds were shaped like animals, while in another, they turned into colorful rainbows. Each time Nimbus saw something new, he felt a flicker of excitement, but he still didn't know how to create rain. Then they reached the rain chamber, where fluffy clouds were transformed into rain. "This is where the magic happens," exclaimed the cloud maker. "But to create rain, you need to learn how to feel emotions deeply." Bella thought for a moment and suggested, "What if we collect happy moments from people in the village? That could help you feel joy." Nimbus perked up. "That sounds wonderful. Let's do it." Heading back to the village, Bella and Nimbus asked the villagers to share their happiest memories. Some spoke of birthday parties, others about playing with friends, and a few shared heartwarming family stories. Each memory filled Nimbus with vibrant colors and warmth. As they collected more stories, Nimbus began to swell with joy. "I feel lighter and brighter," he exclaimed. Finally, with one last story, Bella's grandmother shared her happiest memory of dancing in the rain. As Nimbus absorbed the warmth of that memory, he transformed into a magnificent, fluffy cloud. "I feel it!" Nimbus shouted. "I can rain!" With a burst of excitement, Nimbus floated high into the sky, and with a gentle shake, he began to sprinkle soft, refreshing raindrops over the village. The flowers bloomed brighter, and the trees danced in the wind, filled with life and color. Bella cheered as the villagers laughed and ran outside to play in the rain. "Thank you, Nimbus," she shouted, her heart full of joy. Nimbus, now a happy cloud, smiled down at Bella. "Thank you for believing in me and helping me find my purpose." From that day on, Nimbus visited the village often, bringing rain whenever the flowers needed it. Bella learned that everyone has a unique purpose, and with a little kindness and support, they can discover it. And so, Bella and Nimbus became the best of friends, sharing laughter and adventure as they brightened the world, one drop of rain at a time. The end.
Subscribe to my channel.